Okay, welcome people, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for everyone that has been able to subscribe to Math is Fun. As you already know, I told you that math is fun. It is not something that's so hard. With step by step, you can do it, you believe you can do it. Today we are going to be talking about variations. Variation. Now, in 1-2 minutes, what is variation? Variation is the relationship between two or more quantities. How quantity, how it relates with the other. That is what we call variation. Now, in variation, we have 4 types of variation. We have the direct variation. As one quantity increases, the other also increases. And we have inverse variation. As one quantity decreases, the other increases. Inverse variation is the same thing as indirect variation. And we also have partial variation, and we have joint variation. But today we are talking about direct variation, and we are going to solve an example on it. Now, the question is, if P varies directly to Q, and P is 16 and Q is 12. Now, we are given 2 questions here to solve. Find the equation connecting P and Q, and the second is that find the value of P when Q is 24. We are going to start them and do them one after the other and step by step. Easy step by step, easy step by step. Now let's move on. Now, this is a sentence. We have to convert them to mathematical symbol. Now, if P varies directly, this is the sign for varies directly. If P varies directly as Q, this sign means varies, and this is very directly to Q. Okay, P varies directly to Q. Now, let's say P is 16 and Q is 12. Before we can get to P is 16, we must add our constant, which is K. So this sign, this varies sign, changes to equality sign, and it will be P equals to KQ. We have introduced our equality sign and also our constants. Okay, so let's input the values. P equals 16. We still put down our K. We do not know the value of K, which is actually the equation we are looking for. Okay, and Q is what? 12. Now, the question is, find the equation connecting P and Q together. We are looking, sometimes it might just say, find the equation connecting P and Q together. Sometimes it might just say, what is the relationship between P and Q? Sometimes it might also say, what is the formula? All these things are the same thing. Now, 16 equals to K12. So, this is the equation between them. So, you will say, 16 equals to 12K. Okay, so divide both sides by what? By 12. So our K is 4/3. If K is 4/3, then you input K back to the equation and say P equals to, our K is what? 4/3Q. So this is what? The equation. Connecting P and Q together. Okay? So that is for A. Now for B. Now we are asked to move further and say find the value of P when Q is 24. It is the equation we have actually found that will help us to find the new value of P. Don't get it mixed up. The new value of P. So we say, recall P equals 4/3Q. We are actually looking for P, remember? So we say P equals to 4/3, then multiply by K, which is So 3, we have 8. So P equals to 4 times 8. Therefore, P equals to 32. You see, that is quite easy. So let me run it down once again. If P varies directly to Q, P varies directly to Q. This sign means varies. Okay? So we introduce the equality sign, which is this, and we introduce our constant, which is K. Then we input the value, P 16 and Q is 12, 16 equals to K 12. Then we're able to find what? The value of K, which is what? 4/3. Okay? So P equals to 4/3Q is the equation connecting P and Q together. That answers the first question. We move to, we are looking for the value of the new P. We use our equation, and we have it. Our new Q is 24. To find our new P, we multiply, we divide out, we are left with 4 times 8, which is what? 32. You see how simple that is. So that is direct variation. In my next video, I'm also going to do, we are going to do another example on inverse variation, which is also the same as indirect variation. Thank you for watching my channel. Please subscribe, share, and like the video. You can also leave comments in the comment section, so I'll see that and answer to every of your question. And you can also leave question if you want me to answer any question, or if there's anything you did not get, just let me know. Thank you. Peace out.